Nande na kwariganirio mwanchu murigire kerongo kwani semeretuna ni wendete gutwara rituko ryago rigiye kero cyaragire Chinsa Isano Ibere kerongo kwari na SMS magana maya iruma na kendete gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii igongo te abaili anyimo jesusu amo nabosongo yone ngo kubona ira chinga kichao chabenora mayanga kendete gwateka ase chingongo echi inye chinzi na manganda takoreka na ime na isiko ya Gusii anekere nkwana ye finance period gendete kobe kemonye kenene asensi itu ya Kenya mbale bako yamere nandi mbale bako yeokobo mu bwasimiro moja nigo bwasingerere kuburi ababunge baye gochikoye kane kere gochikoika asebunge asebaigo omo bwa Kenya kwanza bagote abuna nigo yaikire gweta nonyeteraika ase ebunge esta basalis oyoro mu women bwe county Nairobi nandi ora somo bwasimiro moja nigobona rorekande ko yeo koboko e finance period yo anene housing levy ebo igondo jokiyo mtata nigateruna eretali asomo bwazimioro moja kolende nigara somo bwa Kenya eri kwegerera ba Kenya abu rekorengana nere finance period segweta nigera abo mosigo monne oji ase aba Kenya mugwasiri bo bolende boy mekidure kindiki no ara se county ya Kilifi anene kero aika somorobelio yugo saika sensemeyo ana somorobeli ogatato buko tindo kole mebere asensemeli ya shakaora mosubati bu first lady rejuruto no ara asensemeli ya girigire keroika asiri tukulia kabira somorobeli oyuhen habitant asensemeli ayunga tiari na kwari ni asenjere ko chuta igongo kobori obena inchego ikomwelio ekardo kubadira na bagairi nyanjama okoyane kubina kwanyo rewetera asirio gya mone chibicha iriane Brighton Makori. Nganjere bononya chake kurwase county ya Nyamira asibone kurege tindi kyarurwe ojia sonde bwensi uratoke kane ga kwiba mariogo yeserekali ase county yukurwase nyagitali aoga kurege kure kyomo waseri bwa abachanu kurwase county ya Nyamira mo daktari dombati mokwa ekarali kwana gitaseni kandi Steven gateruna barabuni go babege temiro belio yo kwene kwena mariogo tali koyuba kurwase nyagitali korendo nde bwensi uracho na joni na koyaiba igaraji kwerwege tambakero egetindi kierichiko.
We are doing investigations and of course ntobegeta abantu wait on the ground bakurigiri na kebinto bikogendera especially the sector ya mariogo tuachandikire pesa njio chibese chiachire twagurira mariogo nekera mariogo yaachire na ntwa magongo monto naro ogochobuguria mariogo ayo nyaiba. I am asking this in front of the television oiso gotoka uno munyagitari kuiberio kuro nyagitari the law will take its course. Oiso gotoka ngaya ne chemist degree ga kebwata mariogo ito ye serikali the law will take its course and the course is to bwatia the PPB toche trading license yeto from the county government and we make sure that your chemist doesn't operate within our precincts.
Sejinga kechejo Dr. Mbati niganyarega kobori abana siasa bonse se county Nyamira kopeka chitabauti chabense monago sira magendero asenseme yugo sase county ya Nyamira waigoni gateruna nerebuya abochenugo sirwa se county Nyamira asali eirabuna barabumba begetemero beriyo kwene kwenango bwaterana bale gosuka gojibosyo asate abuna naralia serikali ye county Nyamira eyetenene no mugavana Amos Nyalibo abegetanene asogo kinia ebirengo bibachenwa se county ya Nyamira.
Ento kyokango saba abantu baminto na especially abantu baminto abana siasa. I know abana inchi bato elected edine to represent in number of areas. And one of the area I am requesting you represent them very well. No wocha tubwaterane edinde health services cheto Nyamira chiena nu wocha saba na inchi abia. Tari wetera zenchira yesegi, tari wetera zenchira yogo torama, but come we sit down tubwaterane tomanyanga ike nkeyo. Lakini asenari nkerochi. Wose this is another way I would feel gekorekane. Edindo tuense tubwaterane tunyara kuba offer services echi pamoja. Otherwise togutumia sector ya health kuruana edindo enda na sector ya health so asekonyoro ochikoyo iruani roro ukanga abantu bakurigiri bagoke because this is touching their lives directly. So igo ngosaba abananchi baito ngosaba abanasiasa baminto. I know you've been elected, I respect it very much, lakini tiatobwaterane tokurega siamo tari gwetera century yesegi but gwetera century ya collaboration na kuwatera naso bokorega mochori yetu ntwanyesie kankonye agachatori ya amene konye coratory innovation tobeke chi machine chinyeime irinde chikonye services chigenda ko ba given yororo moji gitari yetu njeno twachake kwenye core facelift e parerie gweta magari ya nyagitari. We are doing a lot of support to it. In Nyagitari yetu ya Keroka is going to be one of the best facilities in the county. Courtesy ye support tu anyorena into kurua se national government and of course ntobwate support yetu ya from within the county. For the first time in history, Keroka is going to have also a mortuary.
Kubotekana nebukorwa byobosagani amo nokuturubana kumuremba sensemeri ya nyanjwa eye gotoka sensemeri ya Kitutu Central nigo hono mwana siasa rejo tundo anyarire gakuburia abanyanyimbo kurwa senseme yukwene kiminango tingi baroborendi na okoro bosali ase enseme bogore cyo nigateruna matuka bwango igani gesagasaga nyarige kwene kiwase county ya Kisii yedakire kurigereriwa na gukorwa ekyagera nigera leto muchando bunateri gochikorigereriwa aseboniga ikeroja samatukari bose yo muchando uyo nabora mere amagunchara
Iwonge teko tebanga mangana Kisii County abere bobe in terms security ekyagera boniga abantu no guchinyanchuga abayi baroro bakuba atatu bakamwasiburu in fact batari soka baka MCA ya buitangale ba mu atatu, which is a very bad thing. That the Koboria by MCA once one go to go chamo kapisa paka county government mukwana ya mangana security na ande munya kwatira mpaka paka mwa na the security agencies muna commissioner and the others in the thing on the way forward on where to go. Tutangani kwa this kind of insecurity. Why is it coming now? Tuchakere ko deranga to what the differences chia border. These are some of the things. Chikoleta some of these things. Tokumoya border litangani machamo. Baba put their differences aside. Ikiagera woro kuwa buno wabugundu boko chakera. Paka at the end of the day wona baipa achiko nyora chinjira baro basoiri kati. Owe bi asale yubugundu ya very too much within Kisii County. Because the kuma nyanga ibi achakere nani ngai ko ngana kuchi because if we go this way it will be very bad. To what the team instructor which village polytechnic who were trying to picket nabaro bata ko make sure about it because payroll sing jwali get with us. Wala chigu from wherever they came from because of attack. Why would they attack people who are asking for their rights? The constitution don't allow it to picketing, so we can't allow people to be attacked.
Boigore choni ganyare kawate abuna burabure yose sakasagiji kogendera somo chobosongo nigera seria bonjeri bali baganeti ko rukinze jesiko na okoro bonjeri wabase county ya Kisii yobono nigaborire abateneri be county ya Kisii bakora ono mugabano be county ya Kisii simba borarati amona ba musie kobeke meroberio era alende omochobosongo na ene county ya Kisii engima.
Okay, nirena mangana echikun na mangana insecurity yera agera bitanto sagi bitari county iri alenge igoro at the same time yera agera ni investors babe scared away, so we need to change this thing even to be peaceful because Kisii County is known Gusii yere known as a peaceful region. Golga abagoto ba Kenya gaiga bakonyora chiba sirisho abagoto abani orphans who get money oniga they are not getting money in the Sanchia and they are crying that they need money. So tayete koteba ba understand no embara go banyenga onye finance bill te wetu go there is no way we are saying chira kutoka because it will be difficult because support the government so the government can be able to support you ekiagera na tutagete kero mondera na stipend yae na bali bonsi watagete mshahara it has support the government so that the government can also support donate as church account mapema nonyene mshahara yacha mapema. Let us talk about that to discuss it on that so that we are able to move forward.
Igati yabakora imirimo se county ya Kisii anene bari batanya konyore ngeri yabo so kora imirimo asemetenyi 13 ase county yo ni gobono banyarire bako tebabuna nigo bakare ko aunuririwa anene kero bakora igikibese cyabo asiri tukuri goro bachete goikase ensemo ya police aligo sasa ensemo ya banyanyimbo ase county ya Kisii abun Kisii Central ase bagetoroboti bunani go bachete goikase chobis cia serikali ase banyarete bagosunyuntwa na gokong'ontwa ekero banyarete bagoserwa korwa ensemo tutareunga kibagwenderete korera na gokwana ebirero byabo ase bamuri omugabana wesona nigati na kobakonya ekiagera nigo banyarire bagochandika asegeka.
Samarita na Brahmabe, mwalimu ECD, na edwedi rube 2022, ebin on 12th. Tuwakoregas baka boniga, tuwanya wakan busara. Tuwaondo kana richiobis, chie county government, na tokwenda tuwatevi. Turanyora machivu wako tokonya. Lero tuwa decide tukorore HR director, tuwa tokwenda na baminto, na tuwa ikororo na watu wa ambusit injere taliengia bakoyo minto kor dervin na umia. That's where tuwa forced tuwa chirega police ko report
kama litandembu kero tuwa tenene tukanyeterende cha tukwa nene Mario director of reinforcement acha ngaka royega ngaka no kugoroga iga kero nasiku muburinga na kinko ngaka nsinda akora kene mpene inega iga ante binga nandi nkugwa kando rweronde amotenje no ngaka nyasa uriguru naroche nandi namanyite esaba kwegera tende iga onteike kuno gukwana nkugwa kando na moteya aya no ngaka twensi ntori bitale abuko ngaka lero akinae mambiutigara nae mambiuria ondi kuganyite
abakori emirimo eyo abo bono banyarete bagwa koroboti anenekero batete bunanigo basunyunte twiri tukurigoro kero bajete wikasi getuki abanyanyimbo gya Kisii Central nigo bono baro bateruna barabumbata getisegi korende nigo batagete baegwe ngeri yabo ekiagana baro bogima nigo bogendete kubakongera ekiara nigo bakogende mirimo nande bakore mirimo yikorende mbanya konyora engeri yabo
aga tokonya gotegune kesi gerekot na ande na tu abete budgeted for into tu abete tu akora tu replacement tari fresh employment ya renge aina mabaga abantu banyorete green pasture somewhere abande bagatige gas naturally so abakora ntorigere timbole between as serikali yo mintu simba abantu bae bakomokorere gas gontore togokumio konene asiri tukoria lero tuacha tutebere ngitoga kora wanyora no togo itwa
tubono maite ntwa taite ntwa chieti orobneseki etwagenda go demand our rights etutagete e governor simba twakane nande ntuli gotebanga we are not requesting etogo teba twakane asinge twakorire gas for 13 months 14 months bono ntoko nyara gokori gas without salary onde tayo nyoni nwa barali ora kori gas without a salary igo etutagita atwakane ntuli ko mo request warandu eto command atwakane chibesa chitu bune gabana ekogerekera soete ganyore twaliki and there is no way esekeretarira ye county eko totebinga budget njaringo budget was there nandi ntumaitinga was there igeke ntoko demand ko ese county ne right ya ito ntuntu taitiseri but etutagite right ya ito yokora kiyogwakana
ekero togosukabo sio first lady bwense ya Kenya Rejuruto ni gobona nyarire kagotebo buya bw'ekinyange ane na sabagendi bali bakwenda kinyange since ito ya Kenya asatero kinyange icho nigo kigokonya gukura gati ya maroire ali akori mwanya bantu since ito ya Kenya sibona nyarire kagosigita abantu weso ya sobogendi bw'ekinyange nigaya kwana ya nene keragendi nyange yo gosaro yo mubo bagendi kinyanga sense ya Kenya ekaranye gendi kurwa sensemo ya Nairobi goika sensemo ya Girigiri anekera chikirana asumu sangano o UN habitant yo krekana sensemo ya Girigiri.
Indeed, cycling comes naturally to most of us despite our age and gender. Today is a special day this is why we kicked it off with a 10.8-kilometer cycle from State House to the United Nations office in Nairobi. Special recognition to you, Ambassador Sang Junyo, and your team from the Embassy of the Republic of Korea, for we are truly honored to have had you join the cyclists. Thank you so much, Balozi. As we rode here, apart from burning some calories, our endorphins kept our spirits high. How we wish this happiness would be without any stress factor on the roads. It would be incredible if there was clear respect between motorists and cyclists. This is why my office advocates for safe riding, that motorists respect cyclists and cyclists respect motorists. Too many cyclists have unfortunately lost their lives on our roads. We need to cultivate a culture where we care a lot more about each other. We come to the road for different reasons. For some, it is for leisure, and for others, it is their means to work, while others cycle to get their produce to the nearby markets. Thinking of what cyclists have to contend with while riding on our roads, we can only say a prayer of thanks every time we get home safely.
Asoko kolira muwasiri bw'ekigosolya babu na mwamba niga okoboke ngane iyo ya recho atate abuna gosori y'ekinyange ni yerengia nande erobuna nyange teri gutumia maguta igoteri gusari bintu biri bitwe tanaine ibonere byaba Kenya banyare bako yirira bunenchire yemo yobosombi asensi ya Kenya.
Cars and other motorized forms of transportation, cycling produces zero emission, thus significantly reducing air and noise pollution in cities. With the increasing threat of climate change, cycling could play a critical role in fostering cities that ultimately reduce their carbon footprint and promote harmony with nature. Moreover, encouraging cycling as a form of transportation could also promote public health. Regular cycling indeed helps prevent a range of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart diseases. Embracing cycling will encourage a healthier and more active population, no doubt.
Ayuano na rarenge ayo Chinsa jiga kurende nyona chikoraga Chinsa ikomi chawan marababa ninjikwira na ango manya mangi banadete wataka imena isiko ya Gusii kubori kwa nagenda kurira ndi Stevenero wansuma Gusii etwa watena na bugari nyanja makuru asense merinde hone kuna mali ogine chibichago chira senjera abene Eriane Brighton Makori.